Now the last question in the exercise. Now we have to prove this. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cos square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. I have to prove. Now I'll take first this term. I'll get one answer, and then after I'll take this term. I'll get all these three are equal. Now let us solve first. Now I'll take the first term, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. This is first term I'll take. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 plus tan square A, that is nothing but what? Sec square A. We know the formula. 1 plus tan square A is nothing but sec square A. Now here 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A is nothing but what? It is cosec square A. 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. Now this is equal to, this sec square A can be written as 1 divided by cos square A. Can I write? Sec A is nothing but 1 by cos A. Sec square A is nothing but 1 by cos square A I can write. Here also same. Cosec square A can be written as 1 divided by sin square A. 1 by sin square A. Now sin square A goes to numerator. Cos square A comes to the denominator. Now this is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A. Here both squares are there. Means sin A divided by cos A whole square. Sin A divided by cos A whole square. Now this can be written as sin A by cos A is tan A. Then square is there, tan square A. Otherwise directly you can write this step only. No need of writing this step. Sin square A by cos square is nothing but tan square A. By solving the first term I got it as tan square A. It means what? These two terms are equal. These two terms are equal. Now I go for a second term. That is what? 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. Now I will solve second term. Now whole square is there, 1 minus. This tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A whole divided by 1 minus. This cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A. Cos A divided by sin A. Whole square is the whole square. Now this is equal to for the numerator here you can take common LCM as cos A. Here the LCM will be cos A. Okay. Then cos A minus sin A. After taking LCM, cos A minus sin A whole divided by, I'll put equal sign here. Whole divided by. Here also same. Here LCM will be what? Sin A. Here the LCM will be sin A. Now this will be sin A minus cos A. Then whole square is there. Whole square. Okay. Now this sin A goes to numerator and cos A comes to the denominator. Am I right? So sin A. Inside what will be there? Cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A divided by. Now here also cos A comes to the denominator. Cos A inside. So what will be there? Sin A minus cos A. Whole square is there. Whole square. Okay. Now I am going to cancel these two. To cancel I have to take minus sign common here. If I take minus sign common, so this will become what? Plus sin A minus cos A. Then automatically they will get cancelled. Now this is equal to sin A. Now I will take minus sign first common. Minus taken outside. Minus sin A inside. What will be there? This minus sign will become plus sign. Plus sin A plus cos A will become minus cos A divided by the same step will write cos A into sin A minus cos A Am I right? Then whole square is the whole square. Now these two terms will get cancelled. Sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A get cancelled. Now remaining is what? Minus sin A divided by cos A whole square. Okay. Now this is equal to. Now minus square will be plus. Then sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. Whole square is there. It is nothing but what? Tan square A. So minus sin A divided by cos A. Minus square will be plus. Sin A by cos A is tan. Then square is there. It will be tan square A. First and last term are equal. Okay. First and last term are equal. And also second and last term are equal. Therefore I can say that all these three terms are equal. Therefore at the end you write the same problem. Whatever they given you should write it here. Therefore 1 plus tan square A, write this same term here. Okay, that is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to, what is that? 1 minus tan A square, 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square, that is equals to what? Tan square A. At the end you should write the given problem only, because first and last term are equal, we proved here. Then second and third term are equal. Then automatically all these three terms are equal. Therefore I can write the given condition as it is. Let us solve the example 13. So here you have to solve the number of problems for the exercise, fourth exercise. We have to solve number of problems. So after solving examples, I will go for some other problems which are not in our textbook. Okay. Let us solve first example problems. Those are example 13. Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A equal to 1. We have to prove this. Okay. Let us take LHS first. LHS is equal to sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. I want the answer as 1. Now this is equal to, now sec A, this sec A can be written as 1 divided by cos A. 1 minus sin A I will write as it is inside. Now this sec A can be written as 1 divided by cos A plus this tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 divided by cos A, 1 minus sin A. Now this is, here the LCM will be cos A. Now numerator what will be there? 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now this is equal to A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square, that is 1 minus sin square A. 1 square is nothing but 1 only, divided by, here it is not LCM, cos A into cos A it is. Cos A into cos A is nothing but what? Cos square A. Now this is equal to 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A, because the identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. By using that identity I will write. So divided by, this is also cos square A. Now cos square A get cancelled. So therefore in LHS is equal to what? RHS I am getting. Okay. So by solving number of times and number of problems, you will get more idea. Okay. So how to solve the problems? By seeing the problem only, we will have some idea how we can solve this. Example 14. That is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. I have to prove either by taking LHS, prove it RHS, or by taking RHS you can prove it by LHS. But whichever is easy, you go through that first, think about that, then you can forward it. Now I will take first as LHS. LHS is equal to cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A. Okay. Now this is equal to, this cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A minus cos A divided by, here also same, cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. Okay. For the numerator I can take cos A as common. If I take cos A common, numerator 1 divided by sin A, 1 by sin A minus 1. Cos A taken outside, divided by. Here also I can take cos A as a common. Take cos A common, inside what will be there? 1 divided by sin A plus 1. Okay. Now cos A get cancelled. Remain 1 divided by sin A. 1 by sin A is nothing but what? Cosec A I am getting. Cosec A minus 1 divided by 1 divided by sin A. 1 by sin A is nothing but cosec A. Cosec A plus 1. This is equal to what? RHS. Now here I am getting LHS is equal to RHS. Let us solve the last exercise, that's last example problem, that is 15th one. We already solved this type of question in the exercise. There actually we divided for both numerator and denominator by sin, because to get in terms of cot was there. In terms of cot, to get a cot I divided by sin. But here tan is there. So to get tan I should divide this by what? Cos. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Then I will get it as tan. Okay. You should remember that question and this question. Here I should divide it by cos. There I divided it by sin. And also I have to use the same identity here. There the identity given is 1 plus cos square theta equal to cosec square theta. But here I have to use the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So here 1 is nothing but what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. 1 can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. So for both, first I will take LHS here. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. First I have to divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos theta. Okay. Now LHS will be, LHS is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by what? Cos theta. 1 divided by cos theta. Okay. There now this is equal to, now for the same we have to divide by denominator by cos theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. Now this is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is nothing but what? Tan theta minus cos theta get cancelled, it has 1 plus 1 divided by cos theta, that can be written as what? Sec theta, 1 by cos it is, divided by sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta plus cos theta get cancelled, 1 minus 1 divided by cos theta, that is nothing but what? Sec theta. Now I have to use this identity here. Whatever I solved the exercise problem, the same procedure I am going. Okay. So in place of 1 I can write as sec square theta minus tan square theta. In that question, in place of 1 I written a cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So I have to use this identity here now. So now this is equals to, first I will write these two terms, tan theta plus sec theta. Tan theta plus sec theta. These two terms written. Minus. Now 1 is there. 1 is nothing but what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Within the bracket I should write here because minus sign is there. Sec square theta minus tan square theta whole divided by, In the last problem, I kept the denominator as it is. Here also you should keep the denominator as it is. Then only in easy way we get the answer. Okay. Now I'll keep the denominator as it is. Tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now this is equal to tan theta plus sec theta. Now for this I'll put bracket minus. Now this is of the form a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. That is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, a plus b into a minus b, whole divided by, keep the denominator as it is, that is tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay. Now I should get RHS here. Now this is equals to here tan theta plus sec theta, here also tan theta plus sec theta. I will take this common, tan theta plus sec theta taken outside. Inside what will be there? This is 1 minus. So tan theta plus sec theta taken outside, minus into plus, it is minus sec theta. Then minus into minus, it is plus tan theta, whole divided by, then this is as it is, tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay. Now these two will get cancelled. Okay. Now here I am getting here as what? Tan theta plus sec theta. Okay. Now but here I want 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. 1 by sec theta minus tan theta I want. Now for this one I will multiply and divide this by tan theta. Whatever I want I divide it here. Sec theta minus tan theta and multiply it. Sec theta minus tan theta. Multiply and divide whatever we want. Okay. So these two terms will get cancelled. Again same procedure, same answer I got. Tan theta plus sec theta. Now this is equal to, you see the answer? Sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta means a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. But a should be sec theta, b should be tan theta, because a minus b, a plus b. That is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by, here is what? Sec theta minus tan theta. Now this is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is nothing but what? 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is nothing but 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. Now this is as RHS. Now here I am getting as LHS is equal to RHS. This is how we can solve this. But in the last question, it was not in the denominator, it was in the numerator, that is cosec theta plus cot theta maybe. Okay. So if they ask for the same last problem, 1 divided by, you follow the same procedure. Okay. Here you multiply and divide whatever we want numerator, denominator. You multiply the same and denominator.